Good evening and welcome to Poland Daily. I'm Nicholas Richardson and this is the news. Poland will receive €64 billion in the form of non-refundable grants and low-interest loans as part of the €750 billion European Economic Recovery Plan to repair the damage to the economy caused by the coronavirus pandemic. Today, Polish President Andrzej Duda and Polish Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki presented the benefits for the Polish economy of this plan.
Investments are the best way to help us get through the crisis and to help us achieve the next level of the great prosperity phase. The world, including Europe, was always able to come out of a crisis thanks to investment. We should follow this path this time as well. The voice, the strong voice of Poland, sets its tone harder and harder. It determined the paths for us to follow and helps us to make decisions on issues such as the European Economic Recovery Fund to repair the damage to the economy caused by the coronavirus pandemic. We wouldn't be able to achieve this success if we had continued the so-called pat on each other's backs policy, because we all know that this decision was not made thanks to competing interests. We took care of all those interests from the very beginning, and we will be taking care of them until the very end of the negotiations, because, for now, it is just a proposal, but a very good one for Poland. Poland is in third place on the list of beneficiary countries after Spain and Italy, but we know what has been happening in those countries during the last few months.
Polish Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki visited the Forniko Concept Furniture Factory in Warsaw today. He used the occasion to announce that over 50 billion zloty has already been allocated to Polish businesses from the anti-crisis and financial shield to save both the businesses and jobs.
What is the financial shield for us? In our case, the financial shield is our safety cushion for our planning for future expansion, and we feel that we have a safety net for meeting the obligations towards our employees, that we save the workers' jobs and we receive help from that shield. The most important are people. As far as a specific point in the whole process of helping businesses, today we have a symbolic day. This is because we have reached the amount of 50 billion zloty of direct help to all Polish enterprises. I have also asked the President here how long the process of document preparation and receiving the decision and money took. How difficult was that process? I am sure Mr. President will explain in a moment, and I will not spoil his message. The one thing that brings me joy is that 50 billion from the anti-crisis shield and the financial assistance was transferred to Polish businesses in order to save jobs. This translates into the large number of 4,700,000 workers who have received assistance in various forms, such as furlough pay or microloans, employment assistance and grants. All this was given by the Polish Treasury and, without that assistance, look at the situation in Spain, look at the situation in Italy, where we observe a rapid increase in the unemployment rate.
Yesterday evening, Polish President Andrzej Duda held a video call with the President of Brazil, Jair Bolsonaro, on the occasion of the 100th anniversary of Brazil and Poland establishing diplomatic relations. President Bolsonaro had been scheduled to visit Poland in connection with the anniversary, but his trip had to be postponed as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. During the call, the Polish president encouraged Brazil to invest in the Three Seas Initiative and to send a representative to the Three Seas Initiative summit scheduled for October in Tallinn, Estonia.
The Polish president argued that as Brazil is itself in the process of major infrastructural expansion, Brazilian companies and investors could use some of their know-how in the infrastructure projects of the Three Seas Initiative, a regional format for cooperation between 12 states in Central and Eastern Europe. The discussion also touched upon the coronavirus and bilateral trade relations. The ministers of foreign affairs from both countries recorded a video on this occasion. The Brazilian minister, Ernesto Araújo, emphasized the role that Poles have historically played in Brazil and stated that the country serves as an inspiration. Today, on the 27th of May, we celebrate the 100th anniversary of Poland and Brazil establishing diplomatic relations. From a sense of admiration and justice, Brazil has throughout its history supported the right of the Poles to a united and sovereign state. In 1918, Brazil was the first country in Latin America to recognize an independent Poland. In the 19th and 20th centuries, Polish migrants who arrived in Brazil helped to build our country with their dedication and hard work. They helped build wealth and culture. For that, we are ever grateful. Today, under the leadership of President Bolsonaro and President Duda, we are building new relations between Brazil and Poland, which are true to our nations: freedom, democracy, faith, family and national identity. I wish Poland and Brazil all the best, and that we will celebrate many more such anniversaries in our relations. Thank you.
That's the news. Thank you for watching. Stay with us for the weather, Poland Daily Business and more programmes. But from me, it's have a good night and a better tomorrow.